Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I have the CatLadyBox. I have no idea if I'm am I keeping up, you know, like how I'm supposed to be doing it? I feel like the last time I did it, I don't think I did such a great job. But this one is, I just did it pretty good this time. I think I did pretty good. And I've got Mr. Jellybean sitting over here. He was napping, but he's sort of awake now. He's sitting on my little table where I normally like press my fabric and cut my fabric and all that kind of stuff while I'm filming. So let's get this CatLadyBox open. I'm super excited to see what's inside. This is the November box. I'm very excited that I'm opening a box in the same month that I got it. So that's really exciting to me. So let's get it open. I've already popped the tape. And oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh, let me pull it down so it doesn't pop up in your face. Here is the artwork for this month. And the, look, how long did it take him? I'm telling you, he smells it within seconds. He knows that there is nip in there. Okay, so the theme for November is Kitty Kitchen. And this is, or the featured cat lady. Jellybean, don't mess something up, okay, baby? It's okay, you can scratch that. Okay, the featured cat lady artist is Dex Art. Barb and Mike are a husband and wife team that loves cats, dogs, and mid-century modern decor. Dex Art Prints, Jellybean, I can't see. Okay, offers a wide variety of unique designs. He's taken something out of the box already. Offers a wide variety of unique designs, including cat and dog gifts, wedding and anniversary ideas, laundry room decor, and kitchen art. They pride themselves on high quality printing, exceptional customer service, quick response, super fast turnaround, and shipping. See their cat prints at etsy.me/ whole bunch of letters, so I'll have to put that in the description box below. And you can check out the whole shop at etsy.com/shop/DexMex. He's already taken something out of the box and now he's napping. Anyway, there's the art. Oh my goodness. Jellybean, really, sweetheart? He's like sleeping on it. Hold up. There he is. Mm-hmm. And this is what he pulled out, which y'all can't even see me. But look it. It's a big old turkey bone. I mean, I'm assuming it's a turkey bone. It says dreamcat.pet. This comes from a Etsy shop, and it's called etsy.com/shop/Princess Dreams Inc. It is handmade, and it says Dream Cat. This is super adorable, you guys. I love that. Oh my goodness. Jellybean, is there like a bunch of nip in there? What do you think? Do you like that little turkey bone? Do you like turkey? You like turkey, okay, dude? All right, so we're going to put that to the side. And now we have a big box of cat. Jellybean, can mommy pull the stuff out of the box? Because that's what I'm supposed to do, buddy. He's settling in now. Y'all see him? How am I supposed to take stuff out of the box? He's so freaking cute. Jellybean, what you think, buddy? Can I take something out of the back, maybe? I feel something. Looks like this. Oh, I don't know. That won't come out. Looks like it might be a sleeve, though. Hold up. What's in this area of the cat booty? What's over here, buddy? There's something hard down here. What? Oh, here's something coming out. Oh, look! It's little measuring spoons with the cat lady logo on it. That's cute. Totally for the kitchen. I think we have like, there's like something else that we got. We got a bunch of other stuff that was like because we got kitchen stuff before. I think we have like, I know that I have like a ladle and a spoon. I think we might have gotten like a whole sort of like spoon set. And I still use that. It's down in my kitchen. So now I've got little measuring spoons. Okay. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Look. Look, Jelly Bean. Who is that? It is Marge the MEOWSURING. Yo, it's a little pat of butter. Oh, that is so cute. Look at See now, this little guy right here, I might leave that on there because it's not like a really big long one. Sometimes you get them and they got like these really long tags on them and it just kind of gets in the way of them having fun. But I think I'm going to leave that one on. That's really cute. Let me cut the rest of the tag off. Jelly Bean, all he did was like reposition himself. He didn't actually let me get very much out of there. This says Crochet Kitty. Made exclusively for CatLadyBox. Awesome. I just have to show you that again because that's so adorable. Okay. Okay. I'm just staring, and I keep staring at the turkey bone. I just think that's hilarious. Okay. Jelly Bean. Well, that's a Jelly Bean paw down there. I can't. That's just a kitty paw. That's not for Mom. Well, I mean, it's for Mom, but not really. Okay, Jelly Bean, I have to like yank stuff out from under you because all of your toys are here and then my measuring spoons are here, but now there's a sleeve hanging out. See over here? Just like a little sleeve hanging out. So this is Mommy's shirt. I just know it is. Hold on. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's a shirt. It's got long sleeves. Oh my goodness, you guys. Jelly Bean, I can't be 100% sure. But like right now, I can tell you this is like my favorite shirt that I've ever gotten from CatLadyBox. It says, I'm going to tell you what it says and then I'll show you. It says, Kitty Cat Bakery, fresh biscuits daily. I love it. Okay, y'all look. Isn't that cute? And it's long sleeves. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. And I got so much light on that it keeps like, maybe it's too much light. Maybe I should turn some down. Okay, now there's at least one more thing in here. Hold on, let me see what does this say? I might as well look. Oh, okay, so there's two more things in here. Jelly Bean, sweetheart. He still just sleeps right through that. Okay, buddy. There's like two more things Mommy has to pull out of there. Yeah, two more things. He does not do this with other boxes, guys. I think it's either he smells the nip, although he did not go crazy for the little turkey bone, right? Like he didn't go crazy for the turkey bone this time. Or he just loves how Dorian's house smells. I don't know. He's the only one here. Like nobody else is here. Okay, Jelly Bean. I'm sure everyone feels this is very entertaining. But we have to show them what else is in the box. There's like two more things in here. So let me try to get something out from under you. I know. I know. Hold on. What is this? Do you want me to wait for that till last? I'll do that last. There is like something really cool under here. Oh, oh my goodness. It's a cooling rack. And it's a kitty cat head. It's too far. Can you... Jelly Bean. You're hogging up the whole camera, buddy. Can you see it? It's a cooling rack. And it's a kitty cat head. Oh my gosh, we haven't gotten anything like this before. I'm so happy to have this. Oh my gosh. You guys are amazing. Okay, and then one more thing. Jelly Bean, I'm going to take this out of here, okay, buddy? It's puffy. It's puffy, and it looks like that. Okay, hold on. Oh, they're towels. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here's the first one. Can y'all see the little kitty heads in it? That's the first towel. And oh my goodness, this one is sort of like Art Deco, but it's got like a kitty cat ears everywhere. And it sort of goes, well, except for this has like grid in it, and that's, okay, so I guess it's really completely different. But anyway, there you go. And it's like perfect size. They're not too big. And I love how it's kind of like terry cloth on the back. So it's very absorbent. I'm so happy with these. What do you think, Jelly Bean? JB? Jelly Bean? What you think, buddy? Yeah? Maybe? Did you like your turkey leg? It's a giant turkey leg. Yeah. What you think of that? What if I put it over here? Look. Everybody wants to see your lovely face. Doo-doo. Oh, there's a turkey leg over here. Turkey leg. Everybody wants to see your handsome little face, buddy. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Okay, I think that's about all he's going to do to entertain us today. So I will see you guys in the next video. If you enjoy these videos, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And double check to make sure you're subscribed, because for some reason, like, YouTube will unsubscribe people for like no reason. So I'll see you next time. Thanks so much again. Mwah.